Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to unbox an Airpods alternative earbuds from AliExpress right here, and this package actually came in like this, and I'm just going to open it and see what it really came with and how it looks like. If it's cool, you guys can just go get yours using the links in my description. So first of all, we are just going to split this open. I'm just going to check it out. And okay, so this is how the box looks like. It's a Lenovo LP1S, and that is how it looks like. So I'm just gonna take this out and then we check it out. I think I need a sharp edge. Okay, so I'm now gonna open this. Yeah, and then we check it out. So this is all we have here, and then this came in with, okay, so I turned it upside down even. This came with a manual right here. There's the manual, and then it comes with English language and then some other languages, I guess. Okay, so it comes with English language and then Chinese languages. Okay, so we have its charger right here, and it's a Type-C charger, and then we have some of its bats right here too. I think maybe when it gets missing you can replace it. And then we have the main thing right here. So you see the main deal. It's quite cool, right? It's very cool. You can see right here, and this is the case. This is how the case looks like. You open it, and then I see some dots right here. I think maybe it's the charging dots or something. So this is the case right here, and you're gonna put it in here like this. Yeah, so this is how it's being kept in it. And let me pick up the left one too, and then you have it right here. Okay, so when you put it inside like this, these lights are gonna turn on, and I'm sure this is gonna be the battery life of the bats right here. So in case you put it in it, I'm sure it's gonna charge this for you, and I think that is perfect. It's basically very cool. So it actually has the shape of the AirPods Pro, and this is very awesome. It's very cool. It's slick, but I don't know how it's gonna sound in my ears. But before I bought this, they were telling me it has noise cancellation and all waterproof, and also I'm here to just try this out, and the unboxing is cool. This is cool. It's actually not expensive because I had this for less than $20. I think less than $25, I should say. That is about 84 cedis. Yeah, so if you're in Ghana, in Africa, you can just try this out. I'm going to leave the link in my description. If you're in Ghana, in Africa, you can try with the AliExpress link. If you are in the United States, United Kingdom, anywhere in the European countries, you can use the Amazon link. If you feel you want to use the AliExpress link too, you can do it. And yeah, that is basically very cool. I'm telling Africans to use the AliExpress link because Amazon isn't around here, so we use AliExpress more often. That is why I'm talking about that one here. So if you want to get this, I think it's basically very cool, and you can try it out. So if you want to charge this with electricity, that means you need to get your own charger head or something, because it doesn't come with it. It just comes with this right here, and then the parts right here in here, and then the charging cable right here, and then this one is also part of it right here. So that is it, and then the bats are in here. So basically that is all we have in this package right here. So in my next video, I'm actually going to show you how you're going to be able to just purchase this and tell you more about it, whether it's worth it, it's worth buying, or you just don't have to waste your money buying this. So if this video was very helpful, just stick around, and then you can just check this video out here. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.